So the Huawei Nova 16 series would launch officially on the 1st of June, including the Nova 16 Ultra, which we'll be talking about in this video. According to the details, the Nova 16 Ultra and the Pro share the exact same design. Both devices looks really similar. Both the Pro and the Ultra models completely ditch the isolated segmented camera rings of the previous Nova generation. Instead, they feature a massive shared rectangular camera island that dominates the upper back of the phone. And of course, they both come in, unique color options. Anyway, regarding specs, the Nova 16 Ultra is expected to feature a 6.84-inch LTPO OLED flat display with a 1.5K resolution, and the phone is said to have an adaptive 1 to 120Hz refresh rate, which means that the screen can dynamically adjust depending on what you're doing, saving battery life. In terms of performance, the Nova 16 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Kirin 9020 processor, which is Huawei's flagship grade silicon with serious AI capabilities baked in. You're also getting 12GB of RAM or 16GB of RAM, which is more than enough for heavy multitasking. The device also comes with an exclusive 1TB internal storage. In the camera department, according to the details, the Nova 16 Ultra is expected to feature a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP ultralighting main sensor with a large sensor size, variable aperture, and optical image stabilization support, that's OIS. Then there's the 50MP periscope telephoto camera, and some sources claim that the device would have a 12MP ultra wide angle lens, while others say it's going to be a 40MP ultra wide angle sensor. But currently there are no official details regarding that. Now for selfies, the Nova 16 Ultra is rumored to include a dual front camera setup. So it's going to feature a 50MP ultra wide angle selfie alongside a dedicated depth or multispectral sensor. The selfie can actually shoot 4K videos at 30fps, which is impressive. And just like the Nova 16 Pro, the Nova 16 Ultra would pack a massive 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery, and it's going to support up to 120 watts supercharging, which according to the brand could refill a huge portion of that battery in roughly 20 to 25 minutes. And yes, you're also getting wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, which means you could wirelessly charge other devices with this phone. Other features includes 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, stereo speakers with Huawei Hasten tuning, an in-display fingerprint scanner, ultrasonic, and even advanced 3D facial unlock. Finally, the phone supports satellite connectivity. Even though there are no official pricing yet, according to details, the Huawei Nova 16 Ultra will likely land somewhere around 5,499 to 6,499 yuan in China, especially for the 1TB version. That roughly converts to about $760 to $900. So these are the top details of the upcoming Nova 16 Ultra. Once I get more details about the device, including its official price, its real price, I'll definitely share with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. That's it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.